in 2027 lagi asa and assembly elections asa. Is Louisin thinking of anything in coming in politics? Or still azunin to munta माझा book बरयता.
No, book will be over, I think, by another month or two. But coming into the active politics, at least not in my mind at the moment.
So can we say that Louisin has taken retirement from politics?
No. You can take a retirement if you are a politician only when you die.
Okay. So then will you?
But it doesn't mean that you can continue in politics without contesting elections.
No, but without contesting in elections means will you help a party or something or what it is?
See, right now I have left all political parties. I have resigned from that. But you must have noticing, I am doing a lot of write-up. Now my next book is for a better Goa. Is based on my earlier experiences. I had brought 9 or 10 policies in Goa. But now we have to go on a mission mode.
What is the
and already many of them are published in the.
What is the present scenario you feel in Goa? How do you see that?
I'm not very happy with the present scenario. I'm not criticizing anybody, but Goa needs better political leaders.
How is the Congress party doing at the moment? Oh,
I
BJP.
don't want to comment on any party because.
So can we expect Louisin at some point of time to be a part of politics?
I will support political leaders depending on their case, because finally it is not just political party, but finally you have to have something for preserving, protecting the identity of Goa, protecting Goans, bring back the Goans who are leaving Goa. Stop them from.
So you will support them. You will support a politician, not a political party.
I have not decided anything.
But you will support a politician.
Definitely I will, because as long as you are alive, we want active politics. We want good leaders. We want leaders who perform. And we want leaders who will protect Goa and Goans and Goa's identity.
But तू किता घेना तो?
I had 7 terms, and if I had not to resign, I would have been having 10 terms, because 10 years I served the party at the national level.
So, but how do you see now? आता ZP असा, मैं municipality असा, मैं assembly elections असतले in Goa. So what is the message to people of Goa?
I will come out openly as and when it is required. But right now, the book I am writing for a better Goa is on the basis of my experience of maybe successes, maybe of failures, so that we have to bring it before the public. So the public deserves better.
Okay.